Good morning, students. Here, Laman from SKM Public School. Students, today I am going to teach you chapter number 4, that is simple equations. Today you are going to learn how to solve the equations and how to check the solution also. After solving the equation, we are getting value of variable, and then that value of variable will be put in the left hand side or in the right hand side where the variable is there. Okay, and we will check whether after putting value of variable both the sides are becoming equal, left hand side and right hand side, both sides are becoming equal or not. Okay, so let's start solving equations. Students, here we are going to use transposition method. I think you have watched the previous videos how to solve the simple equations using trial and error method. Okay, transposition method, substitution method also. Here today you are going to learn about how to solve equations. Okay, simple equations. I have taken worksheet 32 of your book NCERT. In this first question, equation is x minus 6 is equal to 11. So when this minus 6 will be transposed to the right hand side, if it's minus 6, and then it will become, after transposing to the right hand side, its sign will be changed. Okay, so x will be is equal to 11 plus 6. In place of minus 6, it will become now plus 6. Okay, so now x is equal to 11 plus 6, it is 17. Now this is the value, x is equal to 17. We will check key, is x equal to 17 solution to the given equation? Means at this value of x, both the sides are becoming equal, left hand side and right hand side, both sides are becoming equal or not. So when I have got key x is equal to 17, after solving the equation, then this value of x is equal to 7 will be put in the left hand side, because variable is in the left hand side. Okay, if equality is there and this side is left hand side, and after equality here this side is 11 is in the right hand side. Okay, so putting x is equal to 17 in left hand side, so in place of x we will write 17 minus 6. 17 minus 6 is equal to 11, which is equal to right hand side. Right hand side is also 11. Okay, then question number 2, 2x minus 3 is equal to 13. So 2x is equal to this minus, well, when will be transposed to the right hand side, so its sign will be changed. In place of minus 3, now it is plus 3. Okay, the number which is already in the right hand side, its sign will not be changed, it will be as it is. 13 will be as it is, and minus 3 when being transposed to the right hand side, it will become plus 6. Okay, so 2x will be is equal to 13 plus 3, that is 16. So now 2x is equal to 16. So x is equal to 16 divided by 2. Okay, when any number is multiplied by here with variable, then when we transpose to the right hand side, then it is divided. Okay, so x is equal to 16 divided by 2. So after solving, 2 1 ja 2, 2 8 ja 16. So we are getting 8. So now put x is equal to 8, the value which we have got here 8. X value of x is 8. Now putting in this left hand side, 2x minus 3. So 2 as it is, in place of x I will put 8. I will put 8 minus 3. So 2 8s are 16 minus 3, it is 13, which is equal to 13 right hand side. Okay, then third question is p minus 1 is equal to 3. So p as it is, now minus 1 is being transposed to the right hand side, its sign will be plus. So 3 plus 1, p will be is equal to 4. Now put p is equal to 4 in left hand side. This is in this p minus 1. So in place of p, it is 4. P, value of p being put in left hand side, p minus 1 is equal to, in place of p, 4 minus 1, 4 minus 1, 3, which is equal to right hand side. Then question number 4, here 5x plus 3 is equal to 13. So 5x is equal to, when plus 3 is being transposed to the right hand side, its sign will be negative now. 13 minus 3. So 5x is equal to 13 minus 3, 10. So x is equal to 10 upon 5. So when any number is multiplied with variable, when we transpose to the right hand side, then it is divided. Okay. So 5 1 ja 5, 5 2 ja 10. So value of x is equal to 2. Okay. Value of x is equal to 2. So put x is equal to 2 in left hand side. 5 into 2. 5 into 2 plus 3. 5 2 ja 10 plus 3. It is 13, which is equal to right hand side. Okay. If outside bracket any number is there, then when you solve the equation, first of all multiply. Okay. 3x plus 3 7 ja 21 is equal to 42. So 3x is equal to plus 21 is transposed to the here right hand side. So 42 minus 21, it is 21. Okay. So 3x is equal to 21. Now x is equal to 21 divided by 3. So 3 1 ja 3, 3 7 are 21. So value of x is equal to 7. Now this value of x is equal to 7 will be put in the left hand side, that is 3 into x plus 7. So 3 into, in place of x, here 7 will be put because value of x we have got is 7. Plus 7, 7 plus 7, 14. Outside it is 3, it is being multiplied. 3 into 14. 3 14s are 42. So which is equal to right hand side. Okay. Similarly, this part is same as question number 5. And there are some other parts in which you need help. Okay. So I am solving this question number 10 for you. Okay. And the remaining parts unsolved will be for you. You are going to solve yourself. Okay. So in this question, you are doing this course. In question number 10, x minus 3 upon 5 is equal to 2 plus 1. Because minus 1 is transposed to the, where? Which side? To the right hand side. Now, this will become x minus 3 upon 5 is equal to 3. Okay. This is actually 3 upon 1 now. So 5, this will be multiplied with 3. Okay. This. And this is like this now. 3 here, x minus 3 upon 5 is equal to 3 upon 5. Students, if space is less in the worksheet, you can do on paper and paste. Okay, paste in the book, this book. So x, this 5 will be multiplied by 3 now. 5 into 3. So x minus 3 is equal to 15. Okay. Then x is equal to 15. This 3 minus 3 will be transposed to the right hand side. Its sign will be plus now. So x is equal to 5 plus 3, 18. Okay. Now this value of x is equal to 18 will be put in the, this is left hand side and this is right hand side. We will check ki after putting value of x is equal to 18 in the left hand side, is it equal to 3 or not? Okay. So put x is equal to 18 in left hand side. So left hand side is x minus 3 upon 5. Okay. So this will become, in place of x I will put 18. 18 minus 3 upon 5. it is equal to 15 upon 5. So 5 1 ja 5, 5 3 ja 15. So this is 3. So which is equal to right hand side. Okay, which is equal to right hand side. Okay, in this way you will solve other parts also. This is part here, question number 10 of worksheet number 32. Question number 10. Okay, then other is of different type. 15th question. Okay, let me do for you 15th question. It is this question, question number 15. 3 into x plus 2 minus 2 into x minus 1 is equal to 11. Okay, this is question number 15 of worksheet number 32. Now first of all, this number will be multiplied inside. So this will become 3 into x, 3x plus 3 2s are 6, 3 2s are 6. Then this is minus 2. So minus 2 into x, 2x, and minus will become plus. So it is 2 1s are 2. That is equal to 11. Okay. Now 3x like term combined, plus 6 plus 2 is equal to 11. So 3x minus 2x, it is x, plus 6 plus 2, it is 8. So x is equal to 11 minus 8. So value of x will be here 3. Now we will put this value of x is equal to 3 in this left hand side. This is left hand side and this is right hand side. Okay, after putting value of x is equal to 3, we are checking is it equal to 11 or not. Okay, so put x is equal to 3 in left hand side. So 3 into, in place of x we are putting 3. Okay, 3 plus 2 minus 2 into 3 minus 1. So this is 3 plus 2, 5. 3 into 5 minus 3 minus 1, it is 2. So 3 5s are 15 minus here 2 2s are 4. So it is equal to 11, which is equal to right hand side. Which is equal to right hand side. And you will solve remaining parts yourself. Okay, and try to learn how to solve the equations. Okay, try to solve the equations yourself. You will complete question number here 9, 11, 12, 13, 14. Okay, and watch videos carefully and regularly. Okay, until then, stay alert, stay healthy, mask yourself, take proper care. Thank you. God bless all of us. Thank you.